I have an idea for kind of a cool project. I think I bought a plywood sheet, I designed a chair, something like a chair, firstly on a paper and then in Fusion 360. And what I want to do, I want to project the image of this chair using a projector on this piece of plywood, then cut that out using probably a jigsaw. That will be a really inexpensive way to cut kind of a weird shapes without any CNC machine. And you know, that huge CNC machines are really expensive. This will be a super inexpensive way. I hope this will work out. We'll see. Let's start. Except for the sheet of plywood, we will also need a projector, computer, a few cables and a tripod. Projectors used to be really expensive back in the days, but nowadays you can get one for like $100 from China, which is really not that expensive, and the quality of this thing is really not that bad. You can easily watch movies in the dark. Of course, this projector is not bright enough to project anything in daylight, but in dark it's really usable. You can easily watch a movie. That's not Full HD, just 720, but movies work great on this thing. And I hope for this use case where I want to just project an image on the plywood, to draw it and then cut with a jigsaw, it will be hopefully perfect. So now I need to set up everything. I need to set up the tripod, the computer. I will show you how it works and we'll start drawing the chair on this plywood. So here is my very simple setup. I have my computer, I have the projector on the tripod. I designed this chair in Fusion 360 and then I exported the DXF file that I opened in some kind of a web app from Autodesk. It's free, it works kind of fine. As you will see in a moment, there is also a rectangle above this chair, and this rectangle is right there for the calibration purposes. We need to set the proper distance between the projector and the plywood so that the dimensions of the image that we want to project are okay. We need to measure this rectangle and then move the projector from the plywood and to the plywood to make the dimensions okay. Actually, let me show you how this calibration process works. Here it is, the calibration rectangle. We just need to measure it with a ruler. The dimensions of it should be 10 by 10 centimeters. And we just need to move the projector to the plywood and from the plywood to make this rectangle proper with the dimensions. And the rest of the dimensions should be fine too. Of course, we are not going to build a CNC machine in this video with this kind of method of cutting, plywood, but it's precise enough for some kind of furniture work, or if you want to just cut out roughly the shape out of the plywood. I hope this will be a good way. And also I mirrored the image using the remote of this projector. As you can see, you can rotate the image, you can mirror it however you want. And I have this piece in this kind of orientation because I want the other piece to be down there, so I will save some plywood. Alright, I think it's time to stop talking and start drawing. I will simply use a pencil to draw this shape on the plywood. And here is the chair. It is really comfortable, and that is really surprising because this thing is made out of plywood. I'm really happy with how it looks like, perfectly like I designed it. The idea to cut it, firstly draw it and then cut it with the projector was great. I really recommend it to you. It's simple to use and it's really effective. And now after a full day of work I can enjoy SpongeBob with my new projector and my new chair. I'm really amazed. With just one sheet of plywood I made an incredible chair. Like, the design of this thing is crazy. I love it. With $100 projector I can project movies, I can make a chair. It's amazing, and with these two things I can make an outdoor cinema, which is super cool. I like outdoor cinemas. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Thank you very much for watching, happy making, bye. And now I still have a few more SpongeBob episodes to watch.
Oh, stop!